Hello everyone. Today let's work on leetcode 3208, alternating groups version 2. This is the version 2 of the same problem in this biweekly context, but this one is harder than the previous one. So we're given the same circle of red and blue tiles, and you're given an array of integers and it's called colors, and color can only choose two value, either 0 or 1, means red or blue. So we are going to calculate the number of alternating group with k contiguous tiles. For example, if k equals 3, so because it's a circle, it's placed like this. And if we continue, we calculate k equals 3, then we start from 0, it has this one. We start from 1, it's also a valid one. Then we start from 2, it's also a valid one. But if we start from 3, it's not, because the two are both red, so that we output 3. And I think you can work on the example 2 and 3 by yourself. And the data range is the color's length is 10 to the 5th. And also we are guaranteed that colors are either 0 or 1. And the number of k is also on the order of color's length. Okay, so how to solve this problem? So the first thing we can do is, for example, we can add k numbers at the end, because for example, if we have colors like this, because it's circular, we actually put 3 additional numbers at the bottom. We make it like 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0 is just these 3, so that we have the colors, this one plus this one. Okay, it's like this. Then we do not need to consider the circular things, because we have already these 3 at the end. So we just loop from the beginning to the end. We do not need to consider the circular. So this is the first thing we can do. So what we can do is we add those k numbers from to the end. So what we can do is for int I equals 0, I less than k, plus I, and we just push back colors I. Okay, so then for each position, loop from the beginning to the end. Then for each position, we calculate the longest position j. This, for example, this position is I, and we calculate the longest position j, such that the segment from I to j is not inclusive, is an alternating sequence. Okay, if this is done, then if j minus I is larger or equal to k, then we just got one valid sequence, right? It is starting from I. Then if we do this for every position I, we will get the final answer. Okay, so what we can do is we define the result here. Then we have I equals 0, I less than colors size plus I. Then we also need the position j, right? Because we want j to be the longest position here. So what we can do is, if I equals j, then j equals I plus 1, right? And while j less than colors size and colors j not equal to colors j minus 1, then we can increase j. Okay, so then this j, after this while loop, it is the longest position, so that from I to j is an alternating sequence. So if I plus k that's equal to j, this means we can increase the result, right? Otherwise, we just continue. Then we return res. Let's see if this is correct. So we have a wrong answer. Let's see what's happening. So whenever I is equal to j is equal to I plus 1, and while j less than colors, then j plus plus, and if I plus k less or equal to j res plus plus, let's see, expected. So only case 1 is not correct. So we put k positions at the end. So for the last one, I think actually we just need to put k minus 1 positions, right? Okay, yeah, because for the last one, for example, for this one, it only need to consider k positions, so 3 positions. So it doesn't need to add this one. If we add this one, the first item will be considered twice, right? So we are doing a redundant addition. So we just add k minus 1 at the end. Let's submit. Okay, it passed. Yeah, I think the key observations are two. First is we add something at the end so that we avoid doing those circle calculation. The second thing is for each position I, we just always increase j, so that j is always increased, so this whole operation is on the order of O(n). Okay, so that's it for this problem, and thank you for watching. See you next time.